In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video volume in Canva. This is really useful if your video is too loud, too quiet, or if you want to balance background music with a voiceover. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. First, start by opening Canva and going to the design where you want to work with your video. This could be a presentation, a social media post, or a custom-sized video project. Once your design is open, look for the upload option, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Upload, and this will open a panel where you can bring your own files into Canva. Within that Upload panel, click on the Videos tab. This tells Canva that you specifically want to upload video files, not images, audio, or other assets. Now find the video file you want to use on your computer. You can simply drag and drop your video from your desktop or folder directly into this videos area. When you drop it in, Canva will begin uploading the file. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a thumbnail of your video in the Videos section. Click on that thumbnail to add the video to your design. Canva will place it onto your canvas and you can resize or reposition it as needed. Now, to adjust the volume, make sure the video on your canvas is selected. When it's selected, you'll see various controls appear around or above the video. Look for the volume icon above the video. It usually looks like a small speaker symbol. Click on this volume icon to open the volume control. You'll see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the sound level of your video. Drag the slider to the left to make the audio quieter, or to the right to make it louder. You can even mute the video completely if you want silent footage to use with separate background music or a different audio track. After adjusting, play back your video inside Canva to check the sound level. If it still feels too loud or too soft, click the volume icon again and fine-tune the slider until it sounds just right. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded your video and adjusted its volume in Canva, giving you more control over how your final project looks and sounds.